State officials urging local doctors across the state to be on the lookout for typhus.
The alert issued after a reported increase in the flea-borne disease throughout Texas. Channel 5 Steven Saravia tells us what Valley doctors are doing to prepare. Steven.
In June, we told you about under a dozen cases of typhus in the valley. Tonight, the Texas Department of State Health Services is working to track where the disease is spreading. It's a disease which is no stranger to the valley.
It's something that we've always had. It's just part of our environment here. It's more of a tropical illness, and we're in like the tropical part of Texas.
Typhus, a flea-borne disease, is increasing activity in Texas. Enough so to spark a statewide alert.
I haven't seen an alert for typhus in years.
On top of working at Valley Baptist Hospital, Dr. James Castillo also works with the county to keep track of diseases like typhus. He says his most recent case was just last year.
Usually there might be a few hundred cases in the whole state, and this year they're worried there might be more than 400 cases.
These alerts are issued so there are more eyes on the lookout for the disease.
It simply allows the health department to investigate cases and to determine a threat level to help mitigate the potential of widespread illness and disease.
Dr. Castillo says these alerts can also help doctors diagnose patients, especially since typhus shares many symptoms with other illnesses, like the flu.
If they're thinking it might be typhus, to start treatment right away. And when they start the treatment, then the patients usually get better.
Typhus is spread by fleas which travel primarily on animals like rats, raccoons, and possums, though in some cases, even cats or dogs. Something this pet owner isn't taking any chances with.
My dog, we have to give him shower every 2 days, keep him clean, have special shampoo for him.
Dr. Castillo says using bug spray when outdoors is also a good way from keeping fleas from biting. Since the start of the year, 29 cases of typhus were reported in Cameron County and 55 for Hidalgo County. Officials say the numbers are average, but say the threat continues. Dr. Castillo says in the past 9 years, 8 people have died from the disease in Texas. Live in the Channel 5 News studio, Steven Sarabia, Channel 5 News at 10:30.
We want to know more of the symptoms of typhus. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says detecting those symptoms of typhus early is key in getting the right treatment. This is a Channel 5 News Extra. The CDC says typhus symptoms include fever and chills, body aches, loss of appetite, nausea, and stomach pain. The CDC adds a rash can also occur 5 days after the disease is contracted.